Hi friends, today we are going to learn Unit 2 Voice of Unison. First of all, we will explain this picture. The picture shows river bank with fences. The river bank is surrounded by green trees and plants. Many people are standing near the fence and 4 people, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 people are joining their hands together to help this dog. Moral is unity is strength. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. These are the words of Helen Keller. She was an American author. Her autobiography is The Story of My Life. She lost her eyesight at 1.5 years and she learned with the help of her instructor Annie Sullivan. Thank you.